Setting up and updating your shop details. First, click on Shop and then Manage Shop starting in the General tab. Fill in your personal and shop information. This includes your first and last name, shop name, and contact phone number. Ensure the display status is set to On and select your fulfillment method. Here, we are choosing Ship and Pickup. Next, provide your location details. Select your country and state from the drop down menus and type in your city. Move down to the postal code and enter your 6-digit code. You can also set your preferred display time slots after an order is placed, as well as define your order return and cancellation age in days. Complete the address fields and, if applicable, set a minimum order amount for free shipping. Once everything looks correct, click Update. You'll see a confirmation message once the general info is saved successfully. Now, let's move to the Language Data tab. Re-enter your shop name and provide a brief description. You'll also need to fill out your payment, delivery, and refund policies. Finally, add your seller information and click Save. Under Return Address, fill in the contact person's name and address details for customer returns. After updating, head over to Pickup Address. If you have a specific location for order pickups, you can add it here. Enter the shop name, address lines, and contact information for the pickup point, then save it to your list. Lastly, let's customize your shop's look in the Media tab. Choose your preferred language and display device. Upload a high quality banner and your shop logo. You can adjust the logo ratio to fit perfectly. Once uploaded, click Save to finalize your shop profile. Your vendor dashboard is now ready to go.